Good afternoon. Welcome to Kansas City Streetcar. You guys having a good time? Come on, you guys can do better than that in KC. Let's hear it. All right, 1, 2, 3. Let's hear it. That's a lot better. Y'all have a nice afternoon. Stay dry. I've been very blessed. Very blessed. You can look around. I'm very blessed. That's why I'm working here. That's why I'm working here. God has a reason for me being here. He's looking out for me. He's got my back. He's got my back. I've went through a lot. I've gone through a lot. But I'm getting through that. My baggage is going to be going. I'm sorry I'm crying. You want it better for your kids. And Aaron. So, God's used me in a lot of ways. And by getting this job, I can reach a lot of people. And I'm an unusual person, I agree. But, you know, if we can make life a little better for everybody, you know? There's so many bad things going on in this world. A lot of bad things. The streetcars. It wasn't an accident that I got this job. Smile makes it a lot better.